Legal, Chairman of Paul Wow Partnership, Patron of the Day, Vice Reverend Abram Yal, Acting Archbishop of Northern Barat Azal Province, Lecturer Philip Abiel, Principal of St. John's College, invited guests, media houses, dear students and teaching staff, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. Much has been given and much will rightly be expected from us. We have duties to others and duties to ourselves. It gives me a great pleasure to speak to you this morning on behalf of the organizing committee. I am delighted to welcome you most cordially to this special event. My sincere thanks goes to all the committees who have been organizing this colorful occasion, and another special thanks goes to the top-level management of the church for making it happen as we are seeing it today. The reason why we are here today is to witness the new building inauguration ceremony, which was being supported by the partners from UK, and they are here with us today. Without their contribution, this development that we are seeing would have not come to exist. Not only this new building in Western Barat Azal State, but also in Warab State, in Gogrial, especially in Akron area, they have also done the same thing. So we have to appreciate them for that. And now we can just give them a clap, a hand clap. Let's really appreciate them for their tireless efforts towards St. John's College Wow, as well as South Sudan as a whole. We are truly honored to have you here today, and we are also excited to share this occasion with such a distinguished gathering. So, feel free and enjoy being in the Republic of South Sudan. You are highly welcome to South Sudan. On behalf of St. John's College, I would like to give heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for taking the time to join us and let us make this memorable experience together today. So, in conclusion, I would just like to welcome each and everybody for this function, for this couple of words. So, you are highly welcome to St. John's College. Feel at home, feel free. Everything is okay. So, at the end, I would just like to inform the public and the invited guests, in case if you have any information or anything that you want to inquire, you need to see one of the teaching staff of St. John's College or anyone who will help you with your information. So, at the end, I have to say, thank you so much. We are really so happy and we are so grateful to welcome you and to be with us. Thanks a lot. May God bless South Sudan. May God bless UK. Thank you so much. Thank you.